Hello everyone, welcome to GK Quiz YT. Today discuss 1st January to 31st and we are going to analyze the most important current affairs topics that are crucial for your upcoming exams. We'll cover everything from national news to international updates. Stay tuned and let's get into the headlines. 1. Who was the chief guest for India's 77th Republic Day Parade in 2026? Correct answer, Antonio Costa. 2. Which state's tableau won the Best Tableau Award at the 2026 Republic Day Parade? Correct answer, Maharashtra. 3. What is the name of the new Aadhaar mascot launched by UIDAI in January 2026? Correct answer, Uday. 4. Which state has become the first in India to constitute its 8th State Pay Commission? Correct answer, Assam. 5. India's first sovereign AI park is being set up in which state? Correct answer, Tamil Nadu. 6. Which state declared 2026 as the Year of Agriculture? Correct answer, Madhya Pradesh. 7. The Chief Minister Sehat Yojana, providing 10 lakh rupees cashless healthcare, was launched by? Correct answer, Punjab. 8. Where was India Energy Week 2026 held? Correct answer, Goa. 9. The Buddhist Diamond Triangle, recently added to UNESCO's tentative list, is in? Correct answer, Odisha. 10. India's first city-led climate action initiative was launched in which city? Correct answer, Mumbai. 11. Which country officially became the 21st member of the Eurozone in January 2026? Correct answer, Bulgaria. 12. The United Nations has designated the year 2026 as? Correct answer, International Year of Rangelands and Pastoralists. 13. Which country successfully launched the world's first wooden satellite, Lignosat? Correct answer, Japan. 14. Which nation recently announced a ban on social media for children under 15? Correct answer, France. 15. Who was elected as the vice president of the Olympic Council of Asia, OCA? Correct answer, Sheikh John bin Hamad Al Thani. 16. Which country tested the world's first nuclear-powered cruise missile Byovestnik? Correct answer, Russia. 17. Yoweri Museveni secured his 7th term as president of which country? Correct answer, Uganda. 18. The World Economic Forum, WEF, annual meeting 2026 was held in? Correct answer, Davos, Switzerland. 19. Which city was ranked the world's safest city for the 10th consecutive year in 2026? Correct answer. Abu Dhabi. 20. India signed a 10-year LNG supply deal with which company in January 2026? Correct answer. ADNOC, UAE. 21. Who won the Padmapani Award at the Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival 2026? Correct answer. Javed Akhtar. 22. Which team won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer. Saurashtra. 23. The first leg of the Khelo India Winter Games 2026 was held in? Correct answer. Leh. 24. Who was conferred with the Ashok Chakra on Republic Day 2026? Correct answer. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. 25. Which country will host the 2026 Winter Olympics? Correct answer. Italy, Milano Cortina. 26. Who received the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for 2025, awarded in 2026? Correct answer. Graca Machel. 27. Who became the first batsman to score 54 centuries in ODI cricket? Correct answer. Virat Kohli. 28. Where was the second edition of the Khelo India Beach Games 2026 held? Correct answer. Ghoghla Beach, DU. 29. Which Indian sports person received the Samurai Martial Arts honor Kinjutsu? Correct answer. Pawan Kalyan. 30. Who won the Wiley Research Heroes Prize 2025? Correct answer. Chandrakant Lehria. 31. What is the name of India's first solar-powered mobile ATM van? Correct answer. TGB on wheels. 32. The Indian Army has declared 2026 as the year of? Correct answer. Year of networking data centricity. 33. Exercise Dosti 17 is a trilateral naval drill between India, Maldives, and? Correct answer. Sri Lanka. 34. Which company partnered with Adani Defence to manufacture aircraft in India? Correct answer. Embraer, Brazil. 35. The Saksham anti-drone grid was developed by Indian Army in collaboration with? Correct answer. BHEL, Bharat Electronics Ltd. 36. Which country has become the first to commercially produce biobitumen? Correct answer. India. 37. Who was appointed as the Tirpan RD Chief Justice of India, CJI? Correct answer. Justice Surya Kant. 38. The 25th anniversary of which aircraft's first flight was celebrated on 1st January 2026? Correct answer. Tejas LCA. 39. Which organization launched the Enhanced Certificate of Origin (ECU) 2.0 system? Correct answer, DGFT. 40. Where will the world's largest data center be built? Correct answer, Gujarat, India. 41. What was the special theme of the 2026 Republic Day Parade? Correct answer, 150 years of Vande Mataram. 42. When is National Startup Day celebrated in India? Correct answer, January 16. 43. Which state celebrated its 54th Foundation Day on 21st January 2026? Answer: Tripura, Manipur, and Meghalaya, all three. 44. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated annually on which date? Correct answer, January 9. 45. Which butterfly has been declared the state butterfly of Chandigarh? Correct answer, striped tiger. 46. On which day is Indian Newspaper Day observed? Correct answer, January 19. 47. Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary, recently declared an eco-sensitive zone, is in? Correct answer, Rajasthan. 48. Which organization celebrated its 21st Raising Day on 19th January 2026? Correct answer, NDRF. 49. National Voters Day 2026 was celebrated on? Correct answer, January 25. 50. Parakram Divas is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of? Write your answers in the comments. If you found this analysis helpful, please share it with other aspirants. Thanks for watching and keep studying hard. We've covered the major highlights for 1st January to 31st. I hope this helps in your preparation. For more in-depth analysis and daily updates, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for joining us and have a productive day ahead.